So last night I met up with a friend of mine's daughter and her friend who are over on a holiday. Yeah, originally from South Africa, but she's living in London at the moment. And I organized a little place for them to stay through my work colleague who's got an apartment in Ortigia, which I will be doing a little video of her apartment. It's right in the center of Ortigia, and I'll give you all the descriptions and the prices. So if anybody wants to come and stay in Ortigia, it's a beautiful little apartment right in the center. Anyway, so last night we came here, we had drinks, and she gave me a little present, and I totally forgot the present in Ortigia. I phoned up the bar and they kindly put the present aside for me, so that was really lucky. So now we're on our way into Ortigia. It's extremely busy, isn't it, Mas?
Yeah, it's normal. Actually, in the mornings there's a havoc driving around. But you can get in Ortigia, so the limited driving zone isn't on, because normally you get a fine if you go through a certain point.
Yeah, when it says that it's active, you can't go through.
It's called Zona Tráfico Limitado. It means a traffic limited zone.
Yeah. So we're going in. I'm going to grab my little pressy, and we might fly the drone in Ortigia, which we haven't done yet. Let's see how that goes.
Yeah, me and my drone, man.
So I'm on my way to this little bar that we went for a little cocktail, just to pick up my pressy that I forgot. Can't believe I forgot my present from my friend. So let's see. Yeah, I picked it up. Thank goodness. Brava. Viola, perché metti il sale?
Perché il sale toglie tutta l'acqua che c'è dentro la melanzana.
Bravissima.
Questo?
Quello dopo lo togliamo. E ora che fai, Viola?
Metto un peso sopra le melanzane.
Perché metti il peso sopra le melanzane?
Perché il peso fa uscire l'acqua.
Ma sei troppo intelligente, Viola. Grazie, thank you, Viola.
Prego.
And in English, you're
Welcome.
welcome.
Ora la nonna sta friggendo le melanzane.
Started cutting the lavender down. Felt a bit bad, but I've read that if you do cut it, it will flower again before the end of summer. So I'm going to attempt it and see what happens. Smells so nice. Messi decided to leave his little tray here, his beehive tray, and the bees are going crazy. He's now gone to work, and I'm actually a little bit scared to move it, so I think I'm just going to leave it. But I was wondering what all the buzzing was about and realized that he left it here without telling me. Through YouTube, we have met so many nice people, and we love to help other people, and other people love to help us. I promote other people's channels and vice versa. We also got to meet two of our subscribers from Australia who had written to me. Elisabetta had written to me a couple of months ago telling me that she was coming over, and we had the pleasure of meeting them, having a lovely granita together. It was such fun. Good morning. It's Monday. What have you forgotten? Anyway, he's forgotten something. It's Monday morning, and we usually go to the beach on Monday morning. Firstly, because it's Massi's day off, and secondly, because we really hate going to the beach on Sundays because it's packed with all the locals. So we prefer to go on a Monday when it's quieter. And today we've taken Davide. Davide's coming with us to the beach because it's his day off too. So we thought he wanted to come with us. So we're just going to go for a nice half a day at the beach, and then I've got to be at work by 5. Come on. Has to be the best, my favorite. I wouldn't say the best, but my favorite stretch of beach. So I just love the rocks over here on the side. At the end over there, we sometimes jump off those rocks. It's crystal clear waters just to do some scuba diving. Love it. And not a lot of people will come and stay here because they're scared that these rocks fall down, but they haven't fallen down in years. Why would they, now? So we always find a place here. This is our favorite stretch of coastline. This coastline is called Galina, and it is sandwiched in between Il Gessominetto or La Marchesa and Avola Beach. It is about 20 minutes drive from where we live, so this is our favorite place to go. The only problem is that you have to pay for parking because there are no parking spaces. The road is extremely narrow and you never find parking. But it's okay because the parking lots are really safe and clean, and we really enjoy coming to this stretch of beach. That was really nice, short and sweet. In the parking lot you have some showers and it just makes such a difference having a shower. So you pay €3.50 for the whole day, and you can have a shower too. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Best ice cream parlor by the seaside. Got a nice little seating area over here. Yeah. Nice big area. Nice and cool. Even echoes. And they've got a little take a book, leave a book type thing. Very nice. Right, let's go choose a nice ice cream. Oh. Just having this little pistachio, king pistachio. So Massimo and I love all different types of bougainvillea, but the one that we don't have is the Californian gold. Well, there it is. We're going to pick some, and Massi's going to propagate it because he's done it before. So it's probably about 40 degrees, no joke, and my aircon's not the best in the Smart. Off to work. I'm just going to go do 2 hours. I've left the boys at home. Massi and his toy. He loves his drone. I can't get him away from it. Okay, so I just went to work for 2 hours. Massimo stayed home. Davide stayed for a couple of hours. And now we are just sitting outside. It's so hot indoors. His new toy, he can't get enough of it. So hot. We're actually sitting outside, and I think we're going to just eat some pasta outside.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're on our way to go catch the sunrise. But we woke up at 5 o'clock this morning to thunder, clouds.
On the 2nd of July, which is really weird.
2nd of July in the middle of Sicily. We don't know what's going to work out, but yeah, we're going to go do that anyway. Let's see how it goes. We're going to try it out.
So yeah, as Masi said, we woke up at 5 a.m. because we wanted to capture the sunrise here at Monumenti in Siracusa. But the weather's really weird. The sun's come out. We had no dawn or anything, and it's all grey. But hey ho, we're gonna go get a coffee before we start filming. Smells good. Yum. So this is where we come with the boat. Around the corner are all the caves. So they always stop off here. And this is where we have our little swim when the boat stops.
I reckon we should walk down.
It's beautiful peace and quiet. You just hear the birds. A little bit disappointed for the sunrise, but it'll be fine. And we've put our cozies on underneath, so let's see if we can go for a swim afterwards. There he goes. This area by the Monumenti, there's a beautiful path where you can walk along. We've done a video of this place before, and it always takes my breath away. It is absolutely beautiful, and there are no tourists here. In fact, I think it's still hidden away from the tourists. The locals are quite jealous of this place. Masi took his drone out and got some amazing footage right on the sea, right in the caves, and the color of that water, even on a dull grey day, was absolutely beautiful. That day I had the day off, so I just enjoyed the afternoon sunset. It was absolutely beautiful. Good morning.
Good
Buongiorno.
morning.
We're on our way to Siracusa and we're stuck in traffic.
Yeah.
Typical. It's normally at the entrance of Siracusa, isn't it? The traffic mass.
Yeah, this is the road that comes from the highway. So
Yeah.
everyone that's coming into Siracusa via this highway, this piece of highway, comes down this road. And unfortunately, there's single lane traffic, so yeah, it gets quite
Busy.
clogged up with traffic. We have had a little problem with a stabilizer. We bought a stabilizer
For our phones.
for our telephones to film with, and we've come into a little bit of trouble with it because it doesn't close properly.
Yeah.
So it's obviously we're still in the warranty.
Yeah.
So I'm sending it back to them, and we have to send it via courier service, which is just in Siracusa. So we have to do this before we go and do what we want to do.
And that's the only courier we can take it to is the one in Siracusa. Is that right, Mas?
Yeah, because when I go through the warranty process through the app,
Yeah.
they tell me where to take it to the closest UPS point, which is the courier service.
Fair enough. Anyway, so we're on our way to Siracusa. We're going to do that, but we've taken our sea bags and our costumes. We put them on, and I think we're going to take you to a beautiful stretch of sea, which is a marine natural reserve, which is called Plemirio, and it's beautiful, and it has about 35, I think. I'll look into that. 35 entrances, which they called varco or varchi, which is plural. Some are easy to get through, and others aren't. But we'll take you to I think probably two of the nicest ones, and we'll show you what you can see there.
Exactly.
Okay, so we dropped off the gimbal, the stabilizer. It's probably going to take from 4 to 6 weeks for them to either give us a new one or fix ours.
I want a new one.
Yeah, because hopefully we'll get a new one. In the meantime, I'm gonna have to buy a really cheap selfie stick, which I hate, but I have noticed the difference by not having one and just holding, the camera with my hand. So I'm gonna go buy one now.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
Remote control. It's
Cheap.
very easy to lose
Yeah.
and break because it's all made out of.
We broke the good one, so let's see how much the cheap one will cost. Well, I did. Sorry. You won't let me forget that. Okay, so I'm just going to stop off at Varco, which means entry. Varco 24. Parking is not fantastic. You've got this little section here where it doesn't let you even bring in a motorbike. So let's go have a look what you can find in Varco 24. Very tight entry. And you have a very deep sea. It's quite steep here. The view is amazing. There's another little path over there. So, I mean, you could, let me go a little bit further down. It's not very comfortable here, I have to admit. But the water is stunning. Okay, so this is Varco 24. Okay, this is Varco 25. Let's go have a look. Lots and lots of people here. Fantastic. Very nice. So quite a few people around. Plemirio, there are the best villas here. Very, very beautiful villas, really looked after because they're on the natural reserve. Okay, we're going to Varco 26. The road is really rough here. Again, you're going to have to park probably outside of this little road. So we're busy building a little path to go towards the sea, which helps people. Almost looks like the moon, the rocks. So there we go. A lot of people doing scuba diving, courses. Water is transparent. Okay, each one I go to, I say to Masi, this is the best one, we've got to come here. Then I go to the next one, no, this is the best one. Masi's like, make up your mind. They're all great, but I'll show you as many as I can. So after Varco 26, we have to turn the car around and go back from where we came from because there is a dead end. So here we are in Varco 27. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Cala Zafiri, which for me is the most popular, where a lot of people come. But today there's a big digger behind me sorting out the road, so that's probably stopped a lot of people from parking on this road. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, so that is one of the popular ones, but extremely hard to get to even get into the water because it's quite high and it's pretty deep. But if you're a good swimmer, beautiful. Do come and bring your mask, your flippers, because it's stunning. Okay, so in the end we decided to choose Varco 25. It's just easier access. So we're going to get our rock shoes on now and go and explore. Wow, beautiful! The Plemirio Marine Park is located on the coast of Siracusa. It is home to a vibrant and diverse wildlife. There are 35 access points or varchi to the sea area. Some are equipped in summer for disabled people with environmentally friendly wooden platforms. I suggest you take rock shoes because the rocks are quite sharp in some areas. Because it is a natural reserve, you will find no shops near the beaches. But if you get back on the main road, you will find a couple of shops, some bars, and even some pizzerias. Crayfish? Okay, we've had enough now. We're going to go grab a bite to eat. Hey, Massi, what do you reckon?
Oh yeah.
You're hungry, aren't you?
Yeah, baby.
I know a nice little place that sells some good stuff, so we'll take you there. Beautiful villas here. I mean, look at that. Look at the view from the garden. We're just stopping off here to get a bite to eat. It's a cute little place. So they sell all these lovely little pizzas, closed pizzas. They also sell bread. They can make you un panino. You can get ice cream. Massi's got a beer. Yeah, go for it. Lemon, nice. Why do we complicate our lives when we could live it so simply and be so happy? As a famous song once said, un bicchiere di vino con un panino la felicità. That's all it takes is a glass of wine and a panino to make you happy and smile. Thank you for watching this week's video. See you next time. Bye bye.